Welcome to our class. Today our topic is a data container. Log into my Linux box. What is a data container? The data container is only contain the data and share the data to the other containers. The data container is the simplest sidecar design pattern implementation. What is a sidecar design pattern? A sidecar attached to the motorcycle. In the pattern, the sidecar is attached to a parent application and provide supporting feature for the application. In my demo, the sidecar provides application content. Start demo. First, create the HTML page in HTML folder. The index.html file created by previous class, I can reuse and change the content. Second, create a data container based on the Alpine Linux image. The command is docker container run detach mode minor it. The minor it used to keep the container running. Other way, we can write some dead loop to keep the container running. Name is my data. Mount type is bound. Source is HTML folder. Target is /usr/share/index/html. The Alpine image doesn't have the target folder. When Alpine start up, Docker will create the folder. Container is running. Next, verify the bounding data. There is an index.html file. Docker run detach mode. The Nginx container will be automatically run behind the scene after container startup, so we don't need minor it to keep the container running. The command is docker run detach mode. Name is my Nginx. Port mapping docker host port 777 to container port 80. -rm automatically delete the container after the container stop. The keyword is the volumes from. The volumes from is my data. Volume from will be mount my data target folder usr/share/nginx/html to nginx container. Both running. Both containers are running. Next step, verify data. Go inside my Nginx. Hello, I'm from data container. This is the right result. Why we get the connection refuse? There is a wrong container IP. Let me check. My Nginx IP is 0.3, not 0.2. Host IP. Use the host IP and publish port access the container again. Same result. Hello, I'm from data container. 6 steps. Inspect container and see behind the scenes. Inspect my data container. Mount is source from home/len/html. Destination is user share index HTML. Inspect my index container. The mount has the same information. The source and the destination is the same as my data container. That means the data container shared mount information to my index container. If we stopped my data container, what happened? Since my index container already has the mount information, should be fine. Let us try. Stop data container. Only index container running. Access my index container. Same result. My assumption right. The data container only provides mount information. This is all my class today. Thank you for watching. See you in next class.